Hey, what's up everyone? Today we'll be opening up 4 packs of Brothers of Legend. The main cards I'm hoping to get are the Kuriboh Brothers, Curry Babylon, and the spell card, which I don't remember the name of. So let's get into it. This is my second attempt at the opening, that's why this pack was already ripped into some. We have Dr. D, Soul Binding Gate, The Icebound God, Dollhouse, and number 89, Doubulus, the Mind Hacker. Pack number 2, we have once we get into the pack, Infernoid Decatron, Interrupting Kaiju Slumber, ZS Ouroboros Sage, Kuriboh, not one of the ones I said, but I'll take any Kuriboh card, and then Spheroid Scratch. Pack number 3, we have Kuriboh, The Deal of Destiny, Void Feast, Detonate, and number 89, Doubulus, the Mind Hacker. The 4th and final pack, and hopefully it contains one of the cards I said at the beginning, but we'll see what is in pack number 4. Wind Up Arsenal Zenmayo, Horse of the Floral Knights, The Deal of Destiny, Allure of Darkness, and Relinquish Anima. Unfortunately, I didn't get any of the cards I said, but that's fine because we got some pretty cool other cards. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.